Hello, everyone. This is Kevin again from the Infant and Early Childhood Mental Health Team at the Children's Resource Center in Bowling Green, Ohio. I am bringing to you another quick tip to help caregivers increase social and emotional wellness in children during this challenging time. Today's topic is social stories. The focus of social stories is really building skill. And the purpose of that is to help support children in understanding and complying. Some materials that you might need would be a pen and paper, computer and printer, and imagination and creativity. The skill that adults might need here would be thinking about their child's perspective and give needed support. Some successful tips for using social stories are that social stories are a tool in addition to being a story. They're written with the child or the person in mind that we're trying to support. They're focused in the idea that parents, caregivers, and providers are involved in the writing or selection of the social story. They're written for a difficult situation or skill that the child or person needs support with, while thinking about their understanding and knowledge. So we want to make sure that we're looking at it from how they see it so that we can help them make those connections and bridge the gap between where we want them to be and where they are. So we need to consider the who, the what, the when, where, why, and how we want this to go in the story. And it includes an intro, an introduction section, so maybe a paragraph. It includes a body, maybe another paragraph or so. And that's where all the details are. And then it includes a conclusion. And that is where we wrap things up and kind of bring things to a close. It's important that it's not too long for children to follow and that it's worded at their level of understanding, because we don't want to write something that they're going to get distracted from and not be able to listen to or read all the way through. It is written in a patient, reassuring, and respectful way and does not threaten their social and emotional or physical safety. It's important that it does not become a negative. If the story needs to be read in a comfortable and positive context and never as a consequence for misbehavior. If it becomes a negative experience, they will not learn from it and they will not enjoy reading it. That information, or some of that information, came from carolgraysocialstories.com, and I would invite you to visit their website for more information in a very in-depth look at how to write social stories, as well as some great examples for you to consider. For specific kiddos at certain age groups, you might think of using nursery rhymes to support infants in staying calm and helping to get over challenging times and move through them by offering them that calm tone of voice and that rhythm. With toddlers, very much the same, but we might think of introducing feelings or a visual schedule, possibly with some sort of social story. With preschoolers, very similar, but we could also add on some other concerns that we might deal with, such as hitting, being a super friend, cleaning up, and transitions. That is all for now. Thank you for listening and stay tuned to our channel and Facebook for more resources on social and emotional wellness.